La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hi guys, so this is the second episode of How To with Josephine. So the second episode of How To with Josephine is how can you make a gradebook in Excel. So ano guys, let's go. How To with Josephine. So this is how you make gradebook. So we're going to open the Excel, then put gradebook, then adjust it, then put name of the student. So we're going to fast forward and put all the names of the students. Then after that is you highlight it, go to data, turn text to column. So you're going to pick space. Then we're going to change surname and first name. Then we're going to put the possible points of the test of the students. So math test, science test, English test, and the Filipino test. We're going to we're going to give space to it to see it clearly. Then we're going to put possible point for each test. So 50, 20, 20, and 10. So we're just going to fast forward. So we're just going to put the scores of the student per test. After that, so we're going to put to the next column the math test, science test, English test, and Filipino test. This is paglalagyan ng percentage of the student. In order to do that, we're going to put equals the score times the possible point. Then we're going to get the dollar sign in the middle of the possible points. Then drag it down and to the right to fill the other test. And we're going to ask question in Excel. So should we drop the student? In order to do that, equals or open parenthesis. The first score is at less than 50%. Second, less than 50%, less than 50%, then close parenthesis, then false, then we're going to drag it down of us. Then we're going to go with conditional formatting and pick the colors to reflect to the exam. Green for highest, yellow for passed, and red for the lowest score. We're just going to put it. After that, we're going to the percentage, then conditional formatting, then we're going to highlight what the percentage which is under 50%. Drop student is we're going to get naman if those student that who fail, which grade reflects the truth. We're going to get the max of the student. So in order to do that, equals max open parenthesis, then highlight the scores, equals max open parenthesis, highlight close parenthesis, then the max will appear. Mean equals mean open parenthesis, highlight, then close parenthesis. Same with average. Then we're going to highlight it and drag it to the right. We're going to remove this and change it to percentage. We're going naman to make a chart. So insert chart, then we're going to rename it as math test. So add data labels. We're going to put the surname of the students. Then after that is the score of the students on top of it. Then we'll just adjust it and put it to the right. The next one is the science test. Then highlight, insert the chart. We're going to add data labels again, the scores and the surname of the students. The add data labels or the score. Adjust it and put it to the right again to see it much clearly. After that is the science test. Highlight, insert, chart. We're going to add chart title to the science test. After that is English test. We're going to put English test on top or the title of the chart. Then we're going to add data labels or the surname of the students as well as the score. Going to put it down. Next, the last one is the Filipino test. Highlight, insert chart. change the chart title, which is we're going to put Filipino test. Then add data labels, the surname, and the score of the students. Now we're just going to put it, adjust, and put it down. Adjust it to make it look pretty and clean. So that's how you make gradebook of the students. Going to see the scores, the percentage, the questions asked, the charts. So that's how you make gradebook in Excel. Thank you.